Hello friends, welcome to DICE's YouTube channel. My name is Tanmay. In today's Prelims White session, we'll read about Regional Connectivity Scheme UDAN. Okay, see, in today's The Hindu newspaper, there is one very small article in the business page. Adani opened Mundra Airport to flight to four cities. This particular news article is there. In this news article, there is one important component is there, regional connectivity scheme. Under this scheme, this particular airport was built. Okay, and like we want to make this article as a center point, and from this we will cover this regional connectivity scheme, that is UDAN scheme. That is very important for our upcoming prelims exam. Okay, and one more thing, why this topic important, to know that you need to go to previous year question. This is 2024 previous year question UPSC. UPSC asked question on like 3 airport name was given, and they ask about which of the following is a greenfield project. This type of questions 2024, the first this type of question was initiated asked. In the recent past, this new theme emerged. Okay, so we need to read any such important scheme or anything like this in a very good manner. Okay, so let's study the topic in whatever depth required for our prelims exam. Clear? So first we'll understand context, then structural framework we know. After that, the financial mechanism and incentive of this particular regional connectivity scheme we'll understand. After that, the phased evolution of UDAN scheme. UDAN 1.0, UDAN 2.0, we'll know about it. And then we'll also know about Krishi UDAN. What is this particular thing? Okay, starting with the context. What is the context? See, new airport under this UDAN scheme, regional connectivity scheme was built. What is the name of this airport? Mundra Airport. And who built this particular airport? Adani Group built this particular airport. And through this airport, 4 destination, important destination, Mumbai, Goa, Surat and Hindon. This particular important 4 destination was connected through this airport. Okay, and that will improve the logistic of this particular area and connectivity. And if connectivity improve, business activity will improve. If the business activity will improve, what will happen? Economy will flourish, economy will grow. Okay, so that is the basic core importance of building infrastructure. Okay, and that is the main reason why government is investing so much on capex expenditure, specifically on infrastructure development. Okay, both railway, airways, roadways, all these things. Okay, now let's go deep into this particular scheme. So let's study about the structural framework of this particular scheme. See, the nodal ministry who control this particular scheme, who manage this particular scheme, is Ministry of Civil Aviation, right? And this, like, the overall scheme come under National Civil Aviation Policy, right? And there is one implementing authority. Who is that implementing authority? Airport Authority of India is that implementing authority, right? And you have to remember, this is a central sector scheme. There's a 2 type of scheme. One is central sector scheme, another is centrally sponsored scheme. This particular scheme is a central sector scheme, right? Okay, so structural framework is clear. Now we need to about that financial mechanism. And why we need financial mechanism? Because to improve the connectivity under this scheme, government want to create airport in such places where there is not very good economic activity, like our metro city. So government want to target on those area. If those area were targeted, then what will happen? Then the customer base will be low, and customer ability to pay is also lower compared to other metro city. And if this is the happen, then what need? That whoever building that airport, running that airport, they need some financial support. So for that, this financial mechanism and incentive is a very important component of this particular scheme. Okay, see, there's one important thing. There is seat capping. 50% aircraft seating capacity was subsidized. Okay, otherwise what will happen? People will not able to afford. Okay, and if people will not able to afford, the program will not run successful. Okay, so that's the reason there is a seat capping is there. And then also viability gap funding. And what is the purpose? To offset the losses. I'm already told you that there is a demand supply mismatch might happen, and if this go on a very long time, then financial viability became unsustainable. So that is the reason viability gap funding was there. Okay, and how the viability gap funding was there? See, provided offset losses, center state, and will divide whatever loss will be there. Center will bear 80% of the losses and 20% will bear by the state. But these things became different for northeastern state. This ratio will become 90s to 20. State responsibility, specifically northeastern state responsibility, will reduce. Okay, so structural framework we understand, financial mechanism we understand. Now we need to understand the phased evolution of this particular scheme, right? So how this evolved? See, generally Udan 1.2, okay, focus on aircraft, but after that Udan 2.0 come, and this Udan 2.0 focus on helipads. Then come Udan 3.0. Okay, this Udan 3.0 focus on seaplane, tourism loop. So that is the focus. After that come Udan 5.0, and this most important thing is this Krishi UDAN. What is the Krishi UDAN? It's a optimized logistic, agriculture logistic support. Okay, and this basically like meant for perishable good. So for to transport perishable good from one place to another places, so we need good connectivity, and this Krishi Udan provide this connectivity. Okay, so I think you are able to understand this particular topic in a better manner, and the related question is there in our website. Please go and solve that question, and if you have any doubt, please visit RISE's website, and you can mail us, and also you can like comment on this video, and we'll reply you. Your doubt will be resolved. Okay, thank you so much, student, for attending this particular discussion, and all the very best for your upcoming exam. Thank you.